Okay, my name is Stine. I'm from Denmark, and I'm here for the 200 hours meditation teacher training course. And I signed up because I wanted to know more about myself, and I want to give meditation to other people, to help them. And being here has been very interesting. I think I've had a lot of emotions going on, and there's been a lot of crying and laughter, and you get everything when you come here, and it's been really good. And I think that I've learned a lot about myself, and the people here are very nice, and the food as well, and the rooms and everything. I think for me the course has been very interesting because I've noticed that I have a lot of things in myself that I hadn't worked on, and that these meditation practices have helped me a lot actually, also for working on it when I go home. And I think it's very interesting here because before I came, for me, meditation were sitting down and guided meditation, relaxation, and now I understand that it's much more than that actually. You can also be active and dance, and so I've learned a lot. So I can most definitely recommend it.